In this video, we'll be learning how to unlink a stock number from the deal. If you've added a stock number to a deal and the customer is no longer interested in that particular vehicle, but negotiations are ongoing, you can remove the stock number from the deal, leaving the payment structure behind, allowing you to find a vehicle that will fit the scheme. This is done by highlighting the vehicle, then clicking Unlink Stock, located just to the right of Link Stock. You'll be asked to confirm your selection. Notice that where the stock number was previously, no vehicle is now in its place, but the payment calculation remains. Note, this also works well in the case of clients wanting to purchase a vehicle similar to the one you have in stock, but not that exact vehicle. You're able to link a like stock number, unlink it, then build your deal from that base MSRP and price of that vehicle, versus having to build a deal from scratch. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to unlink a stock number from the deal.